Yeah. They try to motivate me, but their choice don't look like mine. They don't sound like mine, no. They just look like mine. What am I? The don't I call I.
Trippy T.
This one's for my girl that be looking like she wants some. This one's for my horse that be looking like they got some, but they all just want some. This is for my niggas that are kinda awesome. This is for my niggas on the block and they are dropping hard, working for a meal when they're working for the peas, working just to change their lives for the peas. And with the peas, they can get it with the peas. They can do anything that they please. They never gotta say please when something happens to them, cause they just paid for the peas and they do it for the peas. No understatements down the lane. No understatements when you do what you can, cause with the peas you just do everything you got to. I'm the dominate nigga on the lane. I'm the dominate nigga on the lane. I'm the dominate nigga on the lane. I gotta get this paper like I'm in the painter lane. This is for my galley that it got some. This is for my galley that it but it got some. This is for my galley that it got some. Got some peas from the dawn, yes it got some. Gotta say it loud like it's not some. Gotta say it loud like it's awesome. Gotta get the paper, then I do it like it's awesome. Gotta get the paper, then I do it like it's not some. And the galley want it all, yeah. And the galley wanna go get it.
Trippy T.
When I hit the gas, yeah, it's time to hit the road. Get the fucking galley that is down for the road. Hit the road with my niggas, yeah, they never ball. Cause they're straight up on the road, yes, we do the shows. Get the paper coming in and my niggas happy. Get the paper coming in, all my gal is happy. Get the paper coming in and my mother happy. Cause I wanna pile it up like another mountain. This is for my galley that I get it. This is for the galley that just wanna get it. This is for my niggas who already get it. You already get it like the way to get it. This is for my niggas who don't know mistake it. Mistake it for some steak that is not worth it. This is for my nigga who just wanna get it. Get the fucking paper, yes, you just to get it. Get it, fuck your money, then you fucking change your life. Get it, fucking cheater, then you change your life. I started when I'm on the bread, cause I got the cheese in the bread. This is for my galley though. I tell the galley fine though she not a hoe. I tell the galley fine though she not a hoe. She take a compliment cause I mean it from my heart though. Hey, hey, and that's the galley name. What's the name? Yeah, Ellie what got it pain. Ellie what got it pain. Ellie what got it brain. That's the galley name and she stand up on the lane. Start dominant, man. Back up on the cold lane. Edinburgh. Putting you on the mic. And the mic too, you get me?